Singsang Taytay Leho. I am Eunice Espinosa, born on February 8, 1988, 30 years old from the Philippines, Manila. I am married but separated and blessed with two children ages 17 and 5 years old. I am associate college graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work a housemaid in Philippines for 6 years and 1 month, from February 2013 to March 2019. I serve a one couple and three children, ages 16, 11 years old, and 3 months old baby. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 4 years and 9 months from May 2021 to February 2026. I serve one couple and newborn baby.
Hello, Miss Eunice Espinosa. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing services that they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand to speak their language.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
Sir, I will just talk to them nicely, love them, and understand them because in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
Okay, so how will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed. Keep sharp objects away and keep harmful material out of their reach.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet. Feed them baby on the time and give them medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, this is the time that I can do my household chores.
Alright, can you sing a lullaby to the baby for him to feel asleep? If yes, can you give us example?
Okay. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when stars are gray. You never knew, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Okay, very good. So do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I am badly needed this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. Promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Eunice Espinosa, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Mama, sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.